So here we go, back again. In this video we're going to be painting a freestyle piece. Currently I kind of don't know what I want to paint in terms of style. I think, yeah, I'm going to throw some arrows off it and try and get a little bit more techie, maybe a more kind of like straight letter kind of style, not just really straight letter. But yeah, that's the plan. Let me show you this quickly while I think about it. Score and Ors. Yeah, quite a cool production. Hands off Greenland. Obviously a little message to the Americans. Trump. Controversial character for many. I'm not sure on him either way, to be honest. Some things I think he's right, and other things, I don't know, he just rambles on, talking crap. Anyway, right, enough of me talking crap myself. So, there we go. Welcome to my post-piece rant or ramble. So, the piece was freestyled. I know I say in many of my recent videos that I need to stop doing freestyle pieces and actually start sketching and doing better stuff. So, I have been sketching, but I've been sketching for other people, and I've been working on like a bigger sketch for a bigger wall that I've got coming up at some point in the future. So yeah, I may start posting less videos and concentrating sketching and doing better quality walls. Which I always say this stuff in videos and then I never go through with it, don't I? But that is kind of my aim for this year, is to kind of like maybe paint once a month, once every couple of weeks, whatever it may be. And do a better video, maybe not better edit, but better wall, piece, character, whatever it may be. So yeah, social media as a whole, I don't know, I've got a bit of a love-hate relationship with social media. Like I've said in the past, Instagram, I'm just kind of like done with Instagram. I go on there, talk to people, like message me and stuff like that. But yeah, just kind of like Insta. I don't know. It's just not. It's just not my thing anymore. I don't think it's just this too quick hit kind of scroll through, sit there scrolling, and it's just like, yeah, just get force fed loads of stuff that I don't particularly want to look at, and like loads of political shit which I kind of get dragged into, echo chambers and all that kind of stuff that go on. But anyway, I'm going to stop ranting now, and I'm going to leave you alone. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Even though the piece wasn't the best, the highlights were a bit gash. Yeah, there were bits that were good, bits that were bad, but yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff, and I will see you in the next video, whenever that may be. Thanks for watching.